I just wanna pick up the phone just to hear his voice.
Do you know how it feel to be alone? Do you know how I feel to have the world on your shoulders and still get hit by stones? All eyes on me, but I ain't throwing up the west, cause the north side still my home. Tryna cover up wounds from the past, but this shit run deep in the bones. Yeah, pick up the phone. I be going through some things, but I never complain. It's too much on my heart and too much on the brain. Ride through.
It's been about 5 days, and some of you may remember a couple of months ago that I had the skinny bow tie, the 03 Silverado, sitting over here, and it got totaled. So obviously I don't have a second truck to drive. I had to drop my truck off Tuesday night, and I've been driving the Ram over the last couple of days. And needless to say, it has been more than eventful driving the Ram over the last couple of days. It's kind of been more of a journey than I would have wanted, to be honest. The wheels have almost fallen off. The windshield wipers don't work. I had to drive in the rain with no windshield wipers. It's been one hell of a journey with the Ram. But guys, we're on the way to go pick up the truck. The new wrap is done. All right, I'm pulling into the shop. I don't know if he's gonna have it outside or not, or if it's gonna be inside, or what the deal is. So we're just gonna film and just kind of see what happens. I'm really nervous, to be honest. I mean, 2 weeks ago, I didn't even know this was gonna happen. I don't see it back there. Oh, I feel like this is it. Oh, I'm terrified, freaking terrified. I don't see it, so it might be inside. I'm like nervous. I haven't been this nervous about something in a minute. Yeah, I think it's inside. Spent a week in the Ram for this. A whole week in this death trap. I don't have a ride up here, so I'm gonna have to come back and get that later. Oh, this is it. This is the, look, before we walk in, I wanna give a huge shout out to Rashad and All In Cars. I'm gonna make sure to have all his information in the description. I know you guys have already been commenting and asking questions, so I wanna make sure that you guys know before we see the wrap, it will be in the description. It'll be top of the description, so if you guys have any questions or wanna just check out his content, he'll be filming a whole video with us too. And he does wraps and wrap classes, so if you guys wanna learn how to wrap, all of that great stuff, check him out on social media. You will not be disappointed. All In Cars right here for you guys. Like I said, link below. I'm like scared.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? You doing all right?
Good.
Well, this is different. I don't even know how to feel. Holy crap, though. Bro, that's dope. That's like, wow. I don't even know how to, it doesn't even seem like.
Doesn't seem real, huh?
No, it doesn't seem like it's my truck. That's crazy. I feel like I need new decals on the back now. Oh, you got the little, yeah. All In Cars on that. Nice. I like it. I was just giving you a shout out before I walked in. Oh, and they cleaned the wheels up for me too. Oh man, just spoiling me over here. You want to back it out?
Yeah.
Look at the freaking. That's crazy. Yeah, it needs a good wash. I think putting these headlights in was back in was a good choice.
Yeah, it fits a look.
I think it. Wow, I actually really like this. That was one of the only things that I specifically wanted was the gold hood. That was one of the only things. That's crazy. I can see that. Bro, that's so crazy, bro. That's so crazy. In the sunlight, like outside, it looks so much better out here, bro. I don't even know what to say right now. This is insane. Oh, wow. I really like, I don't even know what to say. Outside like this looks freaking crazy. Are you happy with it?
Hell yeah.
You're happy with how it turned out? This doesn't even seem like my truck right now. That's freaking insane. It definitely, one of the, I feel like I wish I would have kept my truck cleaner now all the time, you know what I mean? I feel like I have to keep it clean now. I'm so terrible about keeping it clean, and I'm kind of I kind of have to keep it clean now. So we did ultimately the color is a satin gold metallic, and then what do we do? A matte black.
No, we did satin black to match it.
Satin black to match in the back. Jeez, this is crazy. With so we did the all black. Oh, you even wrapped the third brake light. So let's. Yeah. Oh, so we did the satin black on the top as well, and the third brake light. Dude, this is crazy. Oh. So one of the only things, and I didn't say this earlier, one of the only things that I specifically requested is I wanted to keep the hood the same color as the main color of the wrap. And I mainly wanted to do that because it gives the front the appearance of a color change, right? So I wanted to leave all the chrome, grill, bumper, and headlights, and essentially it gives it that look of a color change instead of, you know, completely altering the look of the truck. And that was really the only thing that I gave him to work around. Outside of that, I let him pick the color. I let him pick the, you know, the design on the back. You know, the kind of, what would you call this? This
is like a camo.
Like a camo kind of, like a half camo.
Yeah.
He chose the satin black on the back, and obviously I sent him a logo. You know, we had kind of gone back and forth for a week about what kind of logo we wanted to put on the back, and I didn't know if it was gonna like transition into this somehow, or if it was gonna see, I had no idea.
Yeah.
You know, I would go back and forth in my mind for hours and hours, but you definitely killed it on this one. So whoa, keep falling down over here. Jeez, watch out, bro. I'm beyond happy with the way it turned out, and definitely it's kind of given me some more inspiration to get back into the build on this truck. I haven't really done anything to it in a long time, so it's definitely given me a little bit of a morale boost as far as, you know,
some mods on this one, man.
I need to. That's what I'm saying. I need to start doing some stuff to it. You know, I'm definitely, you know, it's definitely giving me a little more motivation moving forward. I feel like I'm just here filming a truck. It's going to be weird because I haven't had the truck for a week, so it's going to be weird. I think one of the weirdest things about something like this, one, the fact that I didn't think this would happen 2 weeks ago. So 2 weeks ago, this wasn't even a thought in my mind, and now
it's reality.
Now it's done. I think one of the weirdest things is when you're driving and you can see the hood, and the hood's gonna be a different color now. I think that's gonna be something weird. Dude, that's free. Look, hey.
You see how we do that.
That's crazy.
You gave me free range. I lost the bet, but I think we came out on top together on that one.
Yeah, I love it because we essentially what we did is a color change to gold, right? So we kept the chrome on the front, chrome grille, chrome headlights, and chrome bumper. Kept the chrome on the mirrors. The chrome, obviously the polished forged wheels, tie it in as well. And then we kept the chrome bumper in the rear. So essentially what we did was a gold color change with black accents. Mm-hmm. And then we threw the Bread Gang decal in the
big Bread Gang.
The big Bread Gang, the money sandwich, baby. Something just thrown together. Actually, so huge shout out to Sonny and Jerry. Sonny actually hand drew this for me like a year ago, and all I did was I wanted some kind of Bread Gang logo, and she sent me 4 or 5 of them, and I happened to land on this one, and I absolutely am in love with it. You guys can purchase the Bread Gang shirts and decals on the website in the description, but this thing is f***ing awesome, bro. I could not be happier. I need to start making bets with you more often.
No, I think there's maybe 2 more bets to come along with this, but I know I'm gonna win the next one.
Hey, at this point, I'm okay if you do.
Lot of rappers out talk, can't believe shit that they say. CEO tryna stack up these Frito-Lays. Clocked in, need a trip to Montego Bay. Snuck in the OG, and I brought your bae. Pop shit like Snoop, but I think like Dre. Boss moves like Jay, but I'm wild like Ye. You ain't even make a 10, boy, it's not your day. Spent 10 on the fin, boy, my drip don't play. Talk Fendi if you niggas ain't knowing designer. Shot it bad, I'm just tryna work my move behind them. Hell nah, how I never let these niggas outshine me. Had to cut niggas out, they was moving too slimy. Had to cut these hoes out too. I ain't fucking with your bitch, cause you bad though. Yeah, you got a fat ass with some tattoo, but pussy don't pay the bills.
I'm definitely going to do some kind of a reaction video for the guys at the shop because nobody has seen this yet. I haven't really posted it, and it's super different. But I love the way that it turned out. Huge shout out to Rashad and All In Cars. Like I said, all his information will be in the description below. This is freaking crazy. Let me know what you guys think below. I don't even know what to say.